In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into UniSwap. UniSwap is a decentralized exchange, so there's no traditional username or password. Instead, you log in by securely connecting your crypto wallet. I'll walk you through the process, highlight what you should see on screen, and share a few tips to keep everything smooth and secure. Start by opening your browser and going to app.uniswap.org. Take a moment to verify the URL and the padlock icon in your address bar to ensure you're on the legitimate site. Bookmarking the page is a good habit so you can return safely next time without searching. Once the app loads, look to the top right and select Connect. This opens a connection panel showing compatible wallets. You'll typically see popular options featured, and the rest are available under additional choices. Pick the wallet you actually use so Uniswap can request a secure connection. If you use a browser wallet like MetaMask, select it and watch for a prompt from your wallet extension. Approve the site connection, choose the account you want to use, and confirm the network if asked. After you approve, Uniswap should update the top right corner to show a shortened version of your wallet address. That's your confirmation that you're connected and ready to use the app. If your wallet isn't listed right away, open the Other Wallets section to see more options. Many mobile wallets connect through Wallet Connect. When you select Wallet Connect, Uniswap will display a QR code. Open your mobile wallet app, find the Scan or Wallet Connect option, scan the code, then approve the connection in your wallet. The site will recognize your wallet once you confirm, and you'll see your address appear where the Connect button was. A few quick tips if something doesn't connect on the first try. Make sure your wallet is unlocked, refresh the Uniswap page, and check that pop-up blockers aren't interfering with wallet prompts. If your wallet supports multiple networks, confirm you're on the chain you intend to use before connecting, such as Ethereum mainnet. Uniswap will adapt its interface to the network you're on. For security, remember that connecting a wallet does not give Uniswap permission to move your funds. You're only allowing the site to view your public address and request transactions, which you must still approve in your wallet. Never share your recovery phrase and ignore any prompts that ask for private keys. When you're done, you can disconnect from the top right menu and also revoke the site connection from within your wallet settings if desired. That's it. Go to app.uniswap.org, select Connect, choose your wallet, and approve the connection. You're now logged into Uniswap and ready to continue.